Welcome to the colourful world of temperature explorers. Meet Timmy the thermometer and Lily the ice cube, our adventurous duo ready to embark on a journey through heat and cold. Timmy introduces himself and explains that they're going to learn all about temperature in a fun and exciting way. Timmy and Lily venture to contrasting environments to explore the difference between hot and cold temperatures. They arrive at a sunny beach where Timmy's temperature rises as he basks in the sunlight. Meanwhile, Lily shivers atop a snowy mountain, her icy exterior feeling right at home in the chilly air. Timmy explains how temperature can vary from one place to another and how it affects everything around us. Timmy and Lily set off on an adventure to see how temperature impacts the world around them. They visit a lush garden where Timmy measures the warm temperature that helps flowers bloom and plants grow. Next, they head to a kitchen where Lily witnesses water boiling in a pot and freezing in an ice cube tray. Timmy explains how temperature changes can cause water to transform from a liquid to a gas or solid. Timmy and Lily have fun experimenting with different types of thermometers. They showcase a traditional mercury thermometer, a modern digital thermometer, and a futuristic infrared thermometer. Timmy demonstrates how to use each one to accurately measure temperature, encouraging kids to try it themselves. Timmy and Lily become junior weather reporters, ready to give the day's forecast. They stand in front of a colourful map, pointing out different regions and the temperatures expected there. Timmy explains how temperature influences weather patterns, such as rain, snow, and sunshine. Lily adds her own chilly commentary, reminding viewers to bundle up in cold weather. As their adventure comes to an end, Timmy and Lily recap all they've learned about temperature. They thank the viewers for joining them on this educational journey and encourage them to keep exploring the fascinating world of science. With a cheerful wave goodbye, Timmy and Lily promise more fun adventures to come.